Dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. This is a model question paper 2. Subject name is Concepts of Mechanical Engineering 2. Subject code is 25ME21. See, this is in second semester subject. So 5 marks question, part D, section 1, 5 marks question. So if you attend 5 questions, you will get 25 marks. State the mechanical property of common associated with a BCC, FCC, and HCF crystal structure. Give one example for each metal and applications. So BCC nothing but body centered cubic. So coming to the property, it is a high strength, low ductility, hardness, less slip system. And example, you can give an mild steel. It is an iron at room temperature. Applications you can write as used for construction and structural component. So coming to the next one, FCC is called face centered cubic. Coming to the property, it is a high ductile, good toughness, easy deformable, more slip systems. And example, you can give an aluminium. So this coming to the applications, we can use it for aircraft bodies and electrical wires. Next one is a HCP, that is hexagonal closed packed. So property, it is a low ductility, brittle, limited slip system. And example, you can give a magnesium. And applications used as a lightweight components, automobiles and aerospace. So second question, explain the physical vapor deposition method of surface treatment. So before going to that, we should know what do you mean by physical vapor deposition. So it is a physical vapor deposition is a surface treatment process when a thin coating material deposited on a surface by converting into vapor form of vacuum. So coming to the process, in the process, first we have to coating material or metal, you have to heat it, and vaporized metals heated and vaporized to the vacuum chamber. Whatever vapor travels and condense to a workpiece surface, form a thin and uniform hardening coating which will be formed. So coming to the advantages, so you have to improve the surface hardness, increasing a wear and corrosion resistance, to produce smooth and uniform coating, and environmental friendly process. Coming to the applications which we can use it for cutting tools, machine parts, decorative coatings, electronic components. Okay, these are the applications. So physical vapor deposition, it's a effective method to enhance the surface properties and durability of the material without affecting core of the material. Inside the core, it should not affect it. Next, explain the function of lithium ion batteries and silicon based solar cells. Mention one advantages. Lithium ion batteries. Coming to the function, what is the use of lithium ion batteries? You have to store the electric energy in the form of chemical form, release electrical energy when it is required. Okay, and it is working on lithium ions between anode and cathode during a discharge or charging or discharging. So advantages, coming to the advantages, it is having a high energy density. You can store more energy in a small size. It is a chemical vapor format. Coming to the silicon based solar cell. So it is it can taken by the sunlight or solar energy into electrical energy using photovoltaic effect. So the silicon materials generated current when it is exposed to light. When the exposed light, so this will be generate the light. So coming to the advantages, so we can use it for renewable and eco-friendly energy source. Okay, so final, the lithium ion batteries storing energy while solar cells are generating energy, both playing important role on modern energy systems. Next question, identify heat treatment process suitable for a steel shaft using high speed turbines. Highlight the property improve after heating. So when a suitable, which suitable process which we can use, one is a quenching and tempering we can use. Okay, how the process, how it will be happen. So here we are explaining. First we have to do steel shaft first heated at to the temperature Okay, first we have to heat the temperature. First we have to proceed heating and rapid. Then we have to rapid cooling with a quenched with an oil or water to increase the hardness. After that, it is tempered with a low temperature, reduce the brittleness and improve the toughness of the material. This is the process they are going to do. And improve property improved. What and all we have to improve? One, we can improve the high strength and increasing the hardness, improve the toughness, and better fatigue resistance means important for high speed rotations and reduce the brittleness. These are the properties. In a quenching and tempering methods, which is providing a good balance of the strength, hardness and toughness, and making it suitable for high speed turbine shots, which we can use this process. And next question, highlight the applications of wire drawing metal forming process. So what are the applications wire drawing process? One is an electrical wires and cables which we can use. Means it is produced by copper and aluminum wire for electrical transmission. Fasteners, so which we can use it for manufacturing bolts, screws, nails and rivets. Springs, so used to make spring wires for mechanical applications. Ropes and cables, to produce the steel wires for a rope and cables. And automobile components, used to make control cables, tire cords and small pieces, precious parts. So while wire drawing we can use widely for producing thin wires and components required for electrical constructions and automobile industries. The next question, explain any two press work operations. One is in blanking. In this blanking, what we have to do? First, we have to cut. It is a cutting operation. When a flat pieces banking, cut in a small sheet, plates or metals. Cut pieces required for required for the product, and remaining sheet is for scrap and used for making components like a washers and coins. This is blanking. Piercing is, or we also call it as in punching. In this punching, it is a cutting operation used to make the holes in a sheet metal and remove the material in the scrap, and sheet's hole is the product. Used to making whole plates, sheets and machine parts. This pressing in the operation for like a blanking or prying or punching, used for cutting and shaping a sheet metal efficiently. Next, list the characteristics of cutting tool materials. So these are the characteristics of cutting tool materials, which is an hardness. High hardness, the material must harden than the workpiece cut efficiently. Hot hardness means red hardness. It should be retain hardness even high temperature. Wear resistance, must resisted by wear ensure the longer tool life. Next is toughness. It should withstand shocks and vibration without breaking. High compressive strength, must bear high cutting force without deformation. And low friction, it should reduce friction between tool and workpieces. So if the content is useful, please subscribe my channel and share and support. And the link of the PDF I have also keep it on description box. Okay, thank you.